Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Rockaway Beach on 116th Street. There's the A train you can take to get here. It's the last stop, and I'm gonna walk around here. I used to come here when I was a kid, and it looked a lot nicer back then, but let's see what's out here. And I'm gonna walk over to the beach and see what that looks like. It's August right now, so is there a lot of people out here or not? And how cold is the water in August? So I really don't remember much of this. I used to come out here and drive and park in the parking lot. But this place on the corner has been here a long time and supposedly has really good sandwiches, so most people stop over here before they hit the beach for a really good sandwich to bring on the beach. And of course they got the boar's head, pickles and pies is the name of it. But it is, I don't know what day it is, August 5th or something like that. Tuesday, August 5th, I think. And kind of an overcast day. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain, but it's not super sunny, so it's a weekday, not a million people out here, but this place does get crowded on the weekends to the point where it's real hard to get parking and whatnot. And there is a lot of surf shops, Italian restaurants, good pizza out here, and all of that kind of thing like you see in any kind of beachy area. I'm curious to see who's going to be on the beach right now, how many people, and of course, now that I'm spoiled for living in Florida and having great warm beaches, I'm curious to see how cold the water is right now. So you got Italian ices over there, Nick's. So some new buildings going up here. And it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon anyway, so it's definitely later in the day. But normally on like a Saturday or something, it's hard to get parking down here in Rockaway, so probably not that many people right now looking at all the spots here. And the boardwalk over here was rebuilt after Sandy, right?
Yep.
After Sandy, it used to be wooden, and it was pretty tore up even back before Sandy in a lot of places. But now it's like concrete board or something like that.
This is a memorial for the plane crash that happened.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
So there's a memorial for the TWA flight. What year was that? Yeah, that famous TWA flight that crashed after takeoff over here into the water. I guess it was close by over here. Oh no, that's the other one. That's the one that crashed that was going to the Dominican Republic right after 9/11. And I think that's the one. So this is new. There's the boardwalk. These kind of lifeguard shacks and bathroom. Oh, those are bathrooms also. Wow, yeah, I haven't been here. I mean, I go down more in the 70s and 80s, but I haven't come to Beach 116 in a lot of years. So, not a lot of people here. Matter of fact, it looks like there's more lifeguards than there are people. And you don't see that in Florida. Most beaches in Florida don't even have lifeguards, or if they do, they might have one for the whole beach or something like that, or the main area. Sand here is so-so, but I'm curious how cold this water is. and how clean looking it is. So Rockaway Beach is the beach for basically young kids that don't have a car yet, that, you know, they could take a bus. You know, sometimes we take the bus or the train. So if you live in New York City and you don't have a car to maybe go to Jones Beach or Jersey Shore or something, then you would come to Rockaway Beach, Brighton Beach, Coney Island Beach, because you can get there by subway or bus. Let's see. Not terrible. It's not super cold. It's okay. I would swim in this based on the temperature. It's, even though I'm spoiled now, I would say it's definitely swimmable in terms of how clear it is. You know, it's pretty much always like this. You can't see the bottom or anything like that, but it seems pretty good. My nephews come and swim in this and surf in this all the time, so if it was a little warmer and I had my swimming trunks, I would probably swim here also right now. So one thing that Rockaway Beach has that, you know, the Gulf beaches in Florida around Clearwater and whatnot do not have is waves, because this is the ocean, and so because of that, kids like this water much better because they get to jump around in the waves and all of that stuff. So that is the one thing that these beaches here have that the Gulf beaches in Florida do not. And there's no red tide over here right now. I can't say the same for Florida. I'm not sure. I haven't been there in 2 weeks, but when I left, that was an issue then. So guys, that's my look at Rockaway Beach in Far Rockaway, Queens, 116th Street. If you are in New York City this summer and you want to come to a beach, this one's definitely an option, and it's not bad if you want to come to the beach and beat the heat and jump around in the waves or whatnot. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.